How to enable and use VBA in Excel. To enable and use VBA, Visual Basic for Applications, in Excel, you can follow these steps. 1. Enable the Developer tab, open Excel and click on the File tab. Select Options from the left-hand side menu. In the Excel Options window, choose Customize Ribbon. Under the Customize the Ribbon section, check the box next to Developer in the right-hand side list. Click OK to apply the changes. 2. Access the Visual Basic Editor, VBE. Once the Developer tab is enabled, you'll find it on the Excel ribbon. Click on the Developer tab. In the Code group, click on the Visual Basic button. This will open the Visual Basic Editor, VBE. 3. Write and run VBA code. In the VBE, you can create new modules or open existing ones to write your VBA code. To create a new module, click on Insert in the VBE menu and select Module. In the Module window, you can start writing your VBA code. To run your code, you can either press F5 or click on the Run button in the VBE toolbar. You can also assign your macro to a button or create a custom shortcut key to execute the code. 4. Work with the VBA object model. VBA allows you to interact with various objects and perform actions in Excel. You can access worksheets, ranges, cells, charts, and other Excel objects through VBA code. Use VBA commands and functions to manipulate data, perform calculations, automate tasks, and more. It's important to note that VBA is a powerful tool, and improper use or incorrect code can have unintended consequences. It's recommended to familiarize yourself with VBA programming concepts, syntax, and best practices. You can refer to Excel VBA documentation, tutorials, and online resources to learn more about using VBA effectively in Excel.